It was 23rd of July 2020. This year, I got up with a mild headache. I take classes, तो 6 बजे मैं क्लास के लिए गई. 6 से 7 क्लास लिया. उसके बाद में ब्रेकफास्ट बनाने के बाद I felt little weak. I got this headache and body ache, and as the day passed, the morning passed, I felt very weak. I felt, pain in each and every part of my body. So I slept for the whole day, feeling that maybe I am a thyroid patient, so maybe some thyroid ऊपर नीचे हुआ होगा, तो थोड़ा आराम लिया. And then जब afternoon तक I didn't feel like eating anything, my mother-in-law got really worried and she asked me to taste good, just to make sure that मेरे taste sense अभी भी है कि नहीं. So she asked me to taste good, and to my surprise, I did not feel anything. I didn't feel the taste. I was just feeling the texture of good, how soft it is. But I didn't feel the taste. I was trying hard to taste, but I couldn't, which was very surprising. Then I smelled rose ka essence, but I could smell it. So I was not worried that much. I was relieved कि चलो हो सकता है कि बुखार जैसा लग रहा है, उस वजह से टेस्ट नहीं आ रहा होगा. So I slept for the whole day, but I wore a mask क्योंकि I didn't want to take risk. I have 2 small kids and 2 elderly people in my house. So I wore a mask, and then my husband suggested to quarantine myself for the next day till we go for the test, the COVID test, yes. So yes, I felt feverish. So these were my symptoms. I felt feverish. I didn't have the taste. My body pained so much. My body ached. My head, it was like blasting with pain. So yeah, this happened for the day. The next day we went for the test. I was pretty sure that we are just doing it for precautionary purpose. I cannot catch the COVID because of the precautions I was taking. I was taking all the precautions, what government said, what my relatives said, what WhatsApp said, what Twitter said, every single thing I did. I made sure that I sanitize all the things which come from outside first with soda and with salt water, whatever is recommended. I made sure that I gargle and take steam. So in spite of doing everything, I got this COVID. Yes. The next day when the test result came, my husband showed me this. I was confused what it is. It's a new sign language which he's using. He said, "You are positive." Because we were not, we were not coming close, and he didn't want to shout. He was showing me this sign that you are COVID positive. I couldn't believe him. I was sitting in, denying it. No, this can't happen. I asked him to recheck with the people because I was pretty sure I couldn't get it. I thought I had a good immunity because of the things I did, because of the exercise and yoga and good eating and good habits, but it didn't work. I don't know. I feel I got infected through some surface. I used to wash everything which came home from outside. So maybe from that I got this. And then for the whole day I was sleeping because of the pain I had. But I took it as an opportunity. That's good. I was feeling good that for the first time in years I'm without my kids and without any responsibility to look after. I'm just lying down and having a leisure time, and I felt good about it. And for the next 4 days I did whatever pending work I had. I did not practice my Kathak for so long, so I sat down and did the Parhant, the bowl, and revised everything. And I thought for the next 17 days was a period doctor asked me to be quarantined. So I thought for the next 17 days I'll be completing all my Kathak notes and getting thorough with it. I'll be watching all the movies I wanted to. I will watch all the web series which my friends recommended long back, and I'll do I'll put more time into meditation and yoga. So I started making a to-do list, the songs to be choreographed, and I was having the time for my life. But after 4 days, my mother-in-law also showed some symptoms. She got fever actually. So we got her tested, and to my surprise, again, she was tested positive. And that was it was a heartbreaking time for me. I couldn't stand this news. I broke into tears. I was crying for the whole time because my mother-in-law is little weak and she's 60 plus, and I got really worried for her. And I was like, now what? Now what? What would be the intensity? So these all thoughts had a very, very, very bad effect on me. Since 4 days, I was pretty well. Yes, the headache, the body pain was there, but I was happy from inside. I had that contentment that, okay. But now I got really worried. I couldn't breathe actually. I felt suffocated. I realized how thought worked upon us. Till now I was fine. My body was unwell, but I was fine here. But since the news of my mother-in-law came, bodily plus mentally, I was shattered. Now I showed more symptoms. I got fever, I felt vomiting sensations, my stomach ached, my body ached, which was already, but with a higher intensity. My headache and everything, I did not feel comfortable. I was not feeling like sitting, I was not feeling like sleeping. So my friends, I want to tell you how thoughts work upon us. A single negative news which I cannot avoid. मम्मी को कोविड हो चुका था, मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकती थी इस बारे में, लेकिन उस थॉट ने मेरी बॉडी पे बड़े बुरे असर दिखाए. आगे क्या हुआ, कोविड में हमने कैसे टाइम बिताया और हमने क्या क्या नया किया, मैं ज़रूर बताऊंगी नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. लेकिन इस वीडियो से मैं चाहती हूँ और कुछ जाने न जाने, ये एक बात जान लें जो आपको पता है ऑलरेडी, लेकिन मैं फिर भी कहना चाहती हूँ क्योंकि मुझे भी ये बात पता थी, लेकिन उस समय के लिए मैं ये भूल गई थी. क्या बात पता थी? कि हमारे थॉट्स हमारे बॉडी पे बहुत असर डालते हैं. जैसा हम सोचते हैं वैसा हम बनते हैं. उस समय मेरे लिए जब मुझे न्यूज़ पता चली, बड़ा ही नेगेटिव मोमेंट था, और वो मोमेंट शायद मैंने पकड़ लिया, कुछ ट्रिगर किया और वो मेरे बॉडी पे शो अप किया. एंड आई डोंट वांट दिस टू हैपन टू एनीवन एल्स. अगर आपके लिए पास कोई नेगेटिव न्यूज़ आती है, आई एम रिक्वेस्टिंग यू, जस्ट डिस्ट्रैक्ट योर सेल्फ फ्रॉम दैट न्यूज़. डोंट थिंक अबाउट इट. येस, थिंक फॉर द सोल्यूशन, बट नॉट दैट टाइम. As soon as you get the news, you just keep aside the phone. Don't think about it. Thoughts will come, but just distract yourself. Engage yourself in anything which require your energy. Maybe exercise, dancing, or just moving around. Just go for a nature walk. खुले आसमान के नीचे walk करो. Get some air. Breathe. Yes, this. बाद में आप इसके सॉल्यूशंस के बारे में सोचो, बट नॉट एट दैट मोमेंट, बिकॉज इट विल शो अप इन योर बॉडी. एंड दिस इज अ रिक्वेस्ट फ्रॉम माई साइड. जस्ट हेल्प योर सेल्फ बाय नॉट pondering upon, just not keeping that thought with you, which I did mistakenly. And I would recommend, just let go of it. At least for that moment, just let go of it. Next video, I'll be sharing what all we did for the next 17 days and the results, what all precaution we take, what all medication we take, and how we recover. Thanks for listening out.